Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are throwing it way back to the old YouTube days, and I am going to be doing an updated 2021 50 facts about me. You guys remember from maybe about 6-7 years ago here on YouTube, this was a really kind of popular tag slash video to do for your channel. It was a way for people to kind of get to know you a little bit more, people to kind of relate to you a little bit more. New subscribers, they can kind of get a sense of who you are. And I believe I have done 2 videos very similar to this on my channel before. They're very, very old. I honestly don't even remember what I said in those videos. I know maybe some of the things that I'm going to say today are going to be a little bit repeats, but that's okay. It has been many years since I have done this video, and I know I do have quite a few new subscribers here, and a lot of you guys don't really know a whole lot about me. Now, I know some of you guys have been here like ride or die from the very beginning, and you guys probably know everything I'm about to say, but for those of you who don't know, or you guys want to get to know me a little bit better, that's what we're doing today. We're doing updated 50 facts about me. I kind of want to bring back that more chill, relatable vibe of YouTube that what used to be before, you know, the beauty community and the drama community just kind of swallowed it whole. You know, I just kind of want to have fun with YouTube again. I want to do things that, you know, make me happy to film. I want to do things that make you guys happy to watch. So I'm excited. We're gonna throw it back. So, fact number 1, I can't do makeup. I'm just kidding. No, okay, seriously though, the whole situation with my makeup today is, so my dumbass had a beautiful blue eyeshadow look on, and I decided I wasn't paying attention, and I used a lip gloss. This is a lip gloss. I used this as an eye topper. So basically, lip gloss is very sticky. So every time like I would open my eyes, my eyeliner literally transfers to the top of my eye. I'm a dumbass. Hi, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. We have a lot of fun here. I'm an idiot for using a lip gloss as an eye topper because everything is literally just transferring. So if my eye makeup looks like shit, I know it does. Yeah, we're just gonna apply this to my lips too. Early 2002. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with fact number 1. So fact number 1 is any sort of loud noise that I can't control gives me so much anxiety. For instance, when my washing machine goes into the spin cycle and it's really loud, that just gets my heart going, my palms start sweating, my mind starts racing, or if I hear people screaming or fighting, or, you know, I hear just any sort of loud noise, like a crash of any sort, I just go into ultimate panic mode. Like in my mind, I go like fight or flight mode. I can't control it. I don't know what it is, but any sort of loud noise freaks me the fuck out. Fact number 2 is I would much rather starve to death than go grocery shopping. I loathe going grocery shopping. I hate it. I've never liked it. Even when I was a kid and my mom would make me go with her, fucking hated it. Fact number 3 is the only time I ever go to the movie theater is to see a horror movie. Fact number 4, I have never ever in my adult life so far, I have never missed any sort of bill payment. I always pay my bills on time and in the full amount. Fact number 5 is cleaning my house will always be the best therapy for me. Fact number 6 is I don't like to leave my house ever. I have a lot of kind of agoraphobic habits, I guess you could say. I really only leave my house to go to work and then I come home. I hate leaving my house. I'm very comfortable here. I'm in my little shell here. I don't want to leave ever. Number 7 is I am a dog groomer and I absolutely fucking love it. Fact number 8 is I have a huge love and a huge fascination with Monster High dolls. I actually own a few that I have bid on eBay. I've always liked Monster High dolls, and I probably always will. Fact number 9 is, speaking of toys, I actually still have all of my favorite childhood toys. I have some Barbies still, I have all of my Polly Pockets, my Bratz dolls, Build-A-Bears, and I will never, get rid of them. Fact number 10 is I have been doing YouTube for nine years now. Crazy. Fact number 11, which I'm sure a lot of you know, is Halloween is my favorite holiday. Fact number 12, my two biggest fears in life are driving a car and house fires. I'm always so paranoid that my house is going to catch on fire and I'm going to lose everything and everyone in my house, and that petrifies me. I have nightmares about it, and whenever I do leave my house, I double, triple, quadruple check literally everything. I try to unplug as many things as possible because I am just so scared of house fires. Fact number 13 is I do not currently have any children. Number 14, my least favorite thing to do as far as when it comes to like YouTube world is I hate editing videos. It takes me forever to edit because I hate it. But no, I will not hire an editor. Fact number 15 is I was actually a barista at Big B Coffee for around 5.5 years. Number 16, my hope is to someday visit the state of Maine. I'm sure a lot of you know I have talked about it in videos before, but I don't know what it is. I just feel like I need to visit the state of Maine before I die. It's like a goal of mine. Number 17 is I really enjoy doing special effects makeup. Fact number 18 is I have absolutely no desire to ever visit Los Angeles or Las Vegas. I don't know what it is, but those places, like, I would be totally fine if I never went to either of them. The only thing I can think of when I think of LA is beauty gurus, drama, drugs, and unnecessary bullshit. In Vegas, I just feel like it's not as cool as everyone else says it is. Fact number 19 is the only thing that I like to watch at home is anything true crime related. So, Forensic Files, documentaries on serial killers, anything like that. Snapped on Oxygen, I have that shit on all the time. That's the only thing I like to watch. Fact number 20 is the first time I ever got my real first dog bites from dogs as being a dog groomer are not from big dogs. A lot of people think big dogs bite. No, I have actually been bitten by two small breeds, and one was a Pomeranian and the other one was a Shih Tzu. Those dogs are fucking demons. And Pomeranian I know because I have one. Number 21 is I absolutely hate getting dressed up. I am definitely a sweatpants and band tee kind of girl. Number 22 is I will always, and mark my words, okay? Quote me, mark my words, write this down. I will always prefer Android and Windows over anything Apple or Mac. Always. Fact number 23 is I pretty much live off of chicken and cheese taquitos. Number 24 is I am currently in a relationship and we have been together for almost 2 years now. Number 25 is I have a total of 23 piercings. Woo! Number 26, my favorite subject in high school was English. I loved writing papers. It was my favorite homework assignment, and I honestly still like writing to this day, so English for the win. Fact number 27 is one of my favorite tattoos that I have is my little bat tattoo, for sure. Fact number 28 is I will be 28 years old on August 23rd. Fact number 29, I drink coffee every day. Fact number 30 is I hate going to the dentist. I almost always cancel my appointments and just not go. Number 31 is I have gas station anxiety. If you don't know what that is, I only ever go to one pump in my town to fill up my tank in my car with gas. I don't like going to different gas stations because I am so afraid I'm not going to know how to work the pump and people are going to make fun of me or look at me weird. So I get major anxiety when I need to get gas, and I literally only go to one pump in my whole town because that's the pump that I learned on when I started driving, and I literally won't go anywhere else. It's a real thing, y'all. Number 32 is, this may seem kind of odd because I told you guys one of my biggest fears is driving a car, but I actually love learning about and working on cars. I think it is very fascinating. I think it's very cool. I think it's interesting, and it's something that I'll probably always like to learn about. Number 33 is my two favorite seasons in the 4 seasons that we have here in Michigan is fall and winter. Number 34 is one day I would absolutely love to own a golden retriever. They are just beautiful, sweet, majestic, pure angel beings, and I want one. Number 35 is my favorite site to shop on, window shop, and stock is Tradesy. Tradesy is basically where you can get secondhand designer items, and I spend a lot of fucking time scrolling on there, okay? I've made like 7 purchases and I've spent a lot of money on that site. I fucking love it. It's a guilty pleasure of mine. When I'm bored, I pull up my phone and I just start scrolling Tradesy. Number 36 is my favorite piercing that I have is my Medusa piercing. Number 37, I despise cooking. I don't ever cook. I fucking hate it. If I had endless amounts of money, I would hire someone to do all my grocery shopping and cooking for me because I don't like to do either of those things. Number 38 is my favorite thing to do for me time, and I don't know why or how this tradition became a thing, but whenever I feel like I need to just, escape from my mind and just have me time, is I will do my nails. I'll do my fingernails and my toes, have a little mani-pedi moment, while watching The Devil Wears Prada with Meryl Streep. I don't know why, but every time I want to have a mani-pedi night and just take my mind off things, I almost always put in Devil Wears Prada. It's a thing, and it's been a tradition for like 5 years now. Number 39 is my all-time favorite pop in the entire world, is an even tie between Mountain Dew and caffeine-free Diet Coke. Not regular Diet Coke, it has to be caffeine-free. Fact number 40 is I prefer taking all my showers at nighttime. Number 41 is I much prefer sweet red wine as opposed to white wine. I have never been able to find a white wine that I actually like. Number 42 is when I do go out to eat, which has been a very long time since this whole, world turned to shit. But when I would go out to eat, I always get the 2 same things. I either always get a grilled cheese sandwich with fries and a Coke, or I get salmon and rice. I never, ever, ever, ever try anything different. It's always one of those 2 things. Always. It doesn't matter where we go. It doesn't matter if it's like a gourmet restaurant where they have a really popular dish. Nah. Do you have grilled cheese or do you have salmon? Because if you have one of those, I'm getting at least one of those. Number 43, I love taking naps. I always schedule my life accordingly so I can fit a nap in somewhere. Because I fuck with nap time, man. Number 44, the one YouTuber that I could listen to talk for hours and hours and hours and honestly never get tired of it is a YouTuber on here by the name of Smoky Glow. I love her channel. I love her videos. I have seen literally almost all of her videos and I watch them on repeat just because I love listening to her talk. Creepy? Maybe. True? Yes. I will always and forever, and still do to this day, I will always and forever love Avril Lavigne's music. So much so that I actually named my Pomeranian Avril after Avril Lavigne. Number 46 is I much prefer writing in pencil than I do writing in pen. I feel like my handwriting is always neater with pencil than it is with pen. Kind of a weird fact, but it's true. Number 47 is I cannot go to sleep at night and sleep comfortably until my house is fully cleaned and picked up. If I know I left a mess downstairs in the living room, I can't go to sleep. I can't shut my mind off. So everything has to be put away, cleaned up, organized before I can go to sleep at night. Number 48 is I have seen every single season of Family Guy at least 5 times. I love watching Family Guy. I will usually watch it at night when I'm trying to wind down, or if I'm not watching true crime like Forensic Files or Snapped, I always have Family Guy on. Number 49 is I also have a great love and fascination for sharks. Shark Week is what I look forward to every single year. Sharks are beautiful, majestic creatures and we should respect them, okay? And the final fact that I have for this video is fact number 50, and this one is probably, honestly, like the most deep one ever, and that is I truly don't know who I am without YouTube. Now, I know that may sound like cliche, and everybody says that, but seriously, you guys, like, I've been doing YouTube for so long now, like I said, 9 years, and I almost look at it as almost like therapy to me. Sitting down in front of a camera and talking to you guys, I've been doing it for so long that I truly don't know. I don't know the kind of person I would be if I didn't have YouTube. I don't know where I would be in life. I honestly don't want to know. YouTube is literally such an important thing to me. Like my boyfriend says, YouTube is almost like my therapy for me. It's something that I've always had. It's something that I love to do. It's something that I've always, I've always been able to rely on as far as like, talking to people and having a connection with an online presence. I love it, and I love who I am when I'm on YouTube, and I don't know who I would be or where I would be without it. Okay guys, and those are all 50 facts about me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It felt so good to do kind of like an old nostalgic YouTube video. Let me know down in the comments if you learned anything new about me or if any of these facts about me surprised you. Also let me know if we have any of these in common. I would also love to know that as well. I love talking to you guys in the comments. One thing about my YouTube channel as well is I always try to respond to as many comments as I possibly can. That is one thing that I have done since I started my channel, and no matter how big or how, successful this channel gets, I will always be that YouTuber that always tries to respond to every single comment, whether that be hearting it or actually physically typing it out. I will always be that YouTuber. So yes, I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, first off, I just want to welcome you. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here, and I would absolutely love to have you join the family. Make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. But as for the rest of you, I love you guys so incredibly much. And until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys so much, and let's see what this year brings for my channel. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah.